Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a wicked cool 1966 Chevelle convertible. This is a SS clone. It is not a real super sport, but beautiful car. This is Dave. I'm back recovering from hip surgery, still moving around with a cane, so this video is going to be a little bit slower than usual, and unfortunately, because of Mother Nature, I got to shoot this thing inside. We've got 40-mile-an-hour winds with just snow everywhere, so the next 3 days are going to be like this, so we may end up doing a couple videos like this, which I hate. I like stuff outside in a natural light, but I guess you got to do what you got to do. Neat car. It is a Georgia car. It was a frame-up restoration done 5 years ago. They say there's about 3,000 miles on the car since. And like I say, beautifully done car. It's Lemonwood yellow. It's got the black vinyl interior in it, black vinyl top. You can see it's got 18 and 20-inch Coys wheels. It's got a thumping little 396 underneath the hood. Muncie 4-speed manual trans. Good looking car. You can see the new chrome, new stainless, and it's got all the SS trim, SS hood. I really appreciate all the emails, everybody reaching out to check on me. It's power top. Definitely a new top. They definitely replaced the top. I can bend down here, but if you look down the side, car's got great sound. Bunch of new stuff just come in, so we'll try to get it, like I say, get some pictures and get some videos done for you, but Mother Nature is not exactly cooperating with us. Front disc brakes. That's a good looking car. Yeah, when we fire it up, man, it's got a lumpy camshaft in here, 396, big block. It's got a Brawler Performance dual feed 4-barrel, aluminum intakes, got headers, aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. It's got some chrome pulleys and brackets on it. Power steering, again, front disc brakes, detailed up real nice underneath the hood here. Again, 4-speed manual trans. Really nice car. Yeah, looks like I've got some fingerprints here, but yeah, I mean, everywhere you look, pretty car. The chrome looks good. New chrome mirror. Door handles look new. Door seams look good. Looks like all the interior is brand new. New door pads, new carpet. Of course, it's bucket seats, center console. It's got the sports steering wheel. It's showing 48,796 on the dash. I don't know if you can see it, but dash pad looks good. Hurst shifter. It's got the factory AM radio in the dash, but then they've mounted a Sony radio underneath. Flowmaster dual exhaust, 12 bolt, 323 rear axle. Yeah, nice and clean here in the trunk. It's all spackle coated in here. Jack with spare. I'm gonna shut this without dropping something. I won't be able to reach down and show you underneath, but as always, there's photos underneath. Seats look brand new. The dash is nice and clean. Center console's nice. Nice little cam to it. Wipers are working. I might actually pull your what do you call it on lights in here, but yeah, so you can see it. Fuel gauge works. Again, nothing really in there other than it's got some aftermarket gauges mounted underneath. Good sound. He's got a blinker out on that side. Radio in there works. Wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. Thank you and have a great day.